Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. First, I want to say welcome to the channel. Thanks for dropping by. And then I want to tell you a little bit about why I'm here. I'm here to show you how you can build an online business, specifically with affiliate marketing, and then moving on to sell your own products by making videos and publishing them at least once a week to make sure you have everything you need to know to create, market, and sell your own information products. Now, my recommendation is to start with affiliate marketing. So if you're looking to start or to learn more and get better and improve your affiliate marketing and learn how to create a real sustainable business, go ahead, check the link in the description for my recommendation. There's some free training over there. All you do is click the link, sign up with your email address. It'll take you over to the free training. You can register and get started right now. Again, thanks for dropping by. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel. Check out these videos right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.